one of the topics that came up, and very interestingly, is not exclusive for manufacturing, but actually across industries, is throughput. And because particularly when it's about systems, many times one of the biggest concerns is what we have to do, why we have to change when it should serve us rather than we serving the systems.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got some thoughts on throughput. In fact, it's the foundational concern for my workflow engine and
Right.
for the design of a lot of elements in Trinity.
Yeah.
Now, throughput from a manufacturing perspective, a lot of people relate it to that,
Yeah.
right? Meaning that you've got a manufacturing process, and throughput is, the process of generating your outcome, right?
Right.
Whatever it is that you're manufacturing, and the various steps in there. Okay, that's your manufacturing flow. But it also applies outside of manufacturing to the broader concept of workflow.
Right.
Okay. And this is where you find all sorts of bottlenecks and miscommunications and responsibility distribution, et
Yeah.
cetera. And that can apply to everything from your purchasing processes to your maintenance processes, inspection processes, incident management processes. Basically, all of these businessy things
Yeah.
have some sort of a workflow to them, right?
Right.
So it could start with a request and an approval and an execution. It could start with, an assignment, of a
Yeah.
task, task reporting and update, and this kind of stuff. But basically, poor throughput is a business that, is experiencing some issues somewhere, and a
Right.
COO who, may not know where things are being held up.
Right.
That's what gives them the nightmare, right? Is I'm not sure what's going wrong. I just know that the outcome is wrong,
Mm.
and the inputs were supposedly correct, right?
Right.